In one of our last videos, I shared how this fifth wheel had a cracked frame. While I'm still talking about the same unit, I wanted to share the unseen water damage. This is why I preach maintenance is the king. This is a prime example of why you want to keep up on your routine maintenance.
Hey, so I wanted to show you the backside of this undernose material. And as you can see, look how bad the edges were where water had been leaking in there for years. This is, again, another reason why you want to go ahead and, and it's also caused it to delam and separate. Again, this is another reason why you want to have all your body sealants and side seams on your unit checked. This was all unseen water damage that the owner was occurring on his unit that he didn't know. And a lot of times, in most cases, you won't see it until it's too late. We'll go ahead and lay it back down. So underneath, everything looked nice and clean when it was all put together. There was no real signs of any damage on this material. There was little tattletales where we were seeing, rust spots coming through screw holes. But other than that, you didn't see any of that damage. So again, going back outside here to the unit, here's the unit again, all torn apart. And when that material was up underneath there, and these moldings were up underneath here attached in place, that's what's defending that water. And so as you can see, there's no putty on one side. That's pretty typical in our industry. And then they put putty on the bottom. Well, when that side separates, it just allows water to get in, which gets in past the insert molding, causes damages to the screws. It's more than likely all water damage behind this wall as well, and all ran down and caused damage. You're just not able to see it. Something else real quick, this is the side seams of that coach. And so we're always talking about the silicone that basically resides on this edge, right? So that small amount of sealant that's covering, so now you can actually see that it's, maybe, I don't know, we'll say less than half an inch that's actually biting from this edge. And this one has a lot thicker edge. It's got a 3/4 by 1 1/4 compared to your, a lot of your other ones have like a 3/8. So you can see all the dirt and water that has been getting underneath past that molding for years. And then of course you see where all the screws, holes all looked at rusted and all that kind of fun stuff. So make sure you keep an eye on those side seams. And again, you can see how rusted the screws were that were coming out. And so make sure you keep an eye on that, because that's, what keeps this guy all together. Thanks so much.